was a dark, stormy Friday night. Or should I say, it was twilight. A girl named Yuki is having a hard time answering problems in linear equation in two variables.
Oh man, this is a tough one. How do I locate in what quadrant a particular point is and plot it?
Yuki, do you need help?
Who are you?
It may be good to be skeptical sometimes, but this is not the time. What's important now is if you want me to help you.
Yes, of course. I do want someone to help me solve this problem. But I'd also want to know who's helping me.
Look at the picture of a man on that page of the book where it just stopped.
Oh my god! Are you Rene Descartes?
I am a girl, so no. I am his disciple, Rene Descartes.
Wow! Cogito ergo sum? I therefore think I am. But how?
Okay, let's put it this way. I am just a figment of your imagination. When you stop at the page where my picture is printed, you thought of someone, not necessarily physical. You stared at me, thought of me as an existing being, and boom, here I am. Hey, do you want me to help you with your assignments? Or do you want to know more about me?
Okay. Here's the problem. I have been given a pair of coordinates, but I don't know how to plot the point. Considering that there is a given pair of coordinates, I also don't know how to determine the quadrant where it is located.
Alright, get a sheet of paper and a pencil. As you know, I only exist in your mind. You have to do what I tell you.
Okay, I'm ready.
Let us draw two number lines perpendicular to each other and intersecting at point O, which we will call the origin. We agreed to call the horizontal line the x-axis and the vertical line the y-axis. With a convenient scale, we lay off on the two lines equal divisions starting from 0 in both directions. To each point of division to the right of 0 or above 0, we associate a unique positive real number. To each point of division to the left of 0 or below 0, we assign a unique negative real number.
So the x and y axes are actually real number lines.
That's right.
So, how do we plot a point?
A point, say point P, on the plane is determined by an ordered pair of real numbers x, y. We call x the abscissa and y the ordinate. Together, they form the coordinates of P, written as P, x, y. Remember that the abscissa is always written first.
Okay, so how do we determine the position of the point on the plane?
To locate the point P corresponding to a given ordered pair of real numbers, say, for example, -4, 2. We draw through -4 on the x-axis a line parallel to the y-axis. Then, through 2 on the y-axis, we draw a line parallel to the y-axis. The intersection of these two lines determines the location of the point -4, 2.
Wow, amazing! That was great.
Do you understand the process now?
Yeah, thanks, Miss Descartes.
Now, answer the practice exercise I'm going to give you to make sure that you really understand the lesson.
Okay class, so we are going to plot the following coordinates by dragging these points here, in here. So the first point is 5 and 3. So we locate the 5, which is positive here. So it's in here, so if we are going to draw a line here, we must have the second line, which is 3. So when we draw the 3, horizontal line here, the intersection will be at this point. point. 5, 3. So we're going to put this one here on the 5 and on the 3.
Very good.
Alright, for the 10, 7 and the rest, we'll have another way of locating or plotting the points. So, the first number on the left, we will locate here on the x-axis, and the second number, if that is positive, we go up, and if that is negative, we go down. So, for 10, we start from 0 and we locate the 10 here, this x-axis. So the 10 here is positive, so it will be on the right side here. Let's stop walking up to the 10. And then 7. The 7 here. So where is that 7? It is positive, so we go up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So this is the point. So if we go to the left, we know it's the 7. So we put this 7 there, and the 10 is here.
Very good.
Okay. Negative 3. Do first on the x-axis. Negative 3, 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and then 2. We have 1 and 2. Because that is positive, we go up. So we place this one here. 1, 2, and
Very good.
there. Negative 5 and negative 5. So where's the negative 5? The negative 5 is here. And then the negative 5 is going down because that is negative. So it's in here. Put this one here, negative 5 and negative 5.
Very good.
Okay. Next, we have 2 and negative 5. Where's the 2? The 2 is here. And the negative 5 is down because that is negative. So we're going to get this one. We start here. Or actually, we started here. 1, 2, and then negative 5 because it's negative. We are going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look at the on your left, and that's negative 5.
Very good.
Down there. 7, negative 3. So for 7, because that is positive, it's in here. 6, 7. Now, negative 3, we are going down because that is negative. So we have 1, and negative.
Very good.
Okay, we have negative 8, 0. So negative 8 is on the left, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8 here, but the other one is 0, so we are not going up, we're not going down. So let's place here our point.
Very good.
Very good. Okay, we have negative 10. Where's negative 10 here? It's in here, negative 10 and negative 3. So we go down 3 units. 1, 2, and 3.
Very good.
Okay, next one. See, we have 5, negative 2. So we get this one. There is the 5. This one is the 5. And negative is going down. 1.
Very good.
Okay, negative 2, negative 5. Negative 2 first here on the x-axis is negative 2 here. And negative 5 we go down here.
Very good.
Okay. Next is coordinate 7 and 8. 7, where are you? 7 here. You're here, 7. And 8 is positive, so we need to find 8 because the 8 there on the left is 8. Then we place it
Very good.
7, 8. Next is 0, negative 5. Here we start here. here, because that is 0, we're not going to the right or to the left. We'll just stay here. Then we take the negative 5. Negative 5 is down 5. So you're here.
Very good.
5. Okay, let's have the 4 remaining numbers. We have negative 3, negative 9. Get first the negative 3. Negative 3 is here. And then negative 9 is 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you're here.
Very good.
Okay, 9, 3. So get first the 9 here. So 9 positive is here. And then 3 positive is 1, 2, and 3.
Very good.
Negative 5 and 5. Negative 5 here and in here. Negative 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's in here.
Very good.
Good. 3, 0. The last number is 3, 1, 2, 3. But the second number, which is the y coordinate, is 0. So we're not going up or going down.
Very good.
Okay. So that's all for today, class.